Hi, my name is Randon Lester and I'm one of the certified financial planners here at Advizr. This video is part of a series of videos designed to answer some of our users' most frequently asked questions. In this video, I'll explain what the what-ifs are and how they can be useful to you. The idea of the what-ifs is to answer many client questions with one or two easy clicks. For example, let's say the client's goal is to retire at age 65 and spend 100% of today's living expenses. But what if the client comes into your office and says they now want to retire at 62 and spend 120% of today's expenses? These are the types of questions we let you easily answer with the what-ifs. So you would simply open the what-ifs, change the retirement ages to 62 and the expenses to 120% and click Save Plan. You'll notice that the retirement assets graph now shows them retiring at 62 and the plan is still funded, so you could give the client a successful passing grade to retire earlier and spend more. Please take the time to review each what-if and explore its functionality.